Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video for your Windows operating PC. And today I'm going to show you how to fix real-time protection is not turning on. If you're having this problem that you cannot turn on the real-time protection on your Windows PC, so in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix this. So I'm going to show you two methods. If the first method doesn't work, you can always try the second method. So the first method is, first of all, go to your search option here. And here, search edit group policy. You can see this option. Now double click it here. And here, this is the window that will pop up. I'm going to expand it. Here you can see administrative templates. Just expand this one. And after that, you can see Windows component. Expand it again. Scroll down a little bit. And here the Microsoft Defender antivirus option showed. Just double click, click it here. And here you can see turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus. Now double click it here. And here just disable it and click OK. And after doing this, just restart your PC. Then you can turn off the real-time protection. If this method doesn't work, I have a second method. And now for the second method, now go to the command prompt and right click it here and select run as administrator and select yes again. And here you have to give two commands. The commands are here. I'm going to provide it to the description. Just copy it from the description and paste your command prompt here and enter. And it will take a few seconds. As you can see, beginning system scan. This process will take some time, so you have to wait for the process to finish. As you can see, the first command is done. Now I'm gonna copy the second one here from here. I'm just gonna paste it here and enter. As you can see, it's already scanning the whole process. Now, after finishing those two commands, just type here exit and enter. And now all you have to do is restart your PC. And now you can easily turn on your real-time protection in these two methods. So I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel. And I will catch you guys on the next video.